presenting the all-new Sanrico package substation, co-founded by the two young and energetic founders. Let's hear from them. What do they have to say about the product and the company taking it forward?
Hi, I am Jayant Gupta, co-founder Sanrico.
Hi, I am Siddharth Bhatia, co-founder Sanrico.
This is a package size substation. It is used in an electrical distribution network. It can be placed close to the load, it can be placed under the basement, and it can be placed outdoor.
Yeah. It has three parts. It is divided into three sections. So the first side is the HT compartment, which is the high tension compartment, which comprises for the RMU VCB, which is used for transformer protection, as well as the HT line, any kind of fault protection. Then the middle compartment, as you can see, is the transformer compartment, which is for from your high equipment HT line to the LT line, which steps it down. So suppose your load is 11 kV, 33 kV, it steps it down to 415, 433 volt. Then the last compartment is the LV compartment, in which we have a low voltage breaker. It's a panel from where on you can take you to your plant, to your distribution as it is. So combined is called a package substation. So now we looked at the individual compartments. So we start with the HT compartment first. So HT, you know, the lines could be 11 kV, 33 kV. So the HT side, we have a ring main unit RMU panel. So we are using ABB make ring main unit. So it has all the features for transformer protection, as well as overload, short circuit, earth fault protection for the HT line. This we are taking complete RMU from ABB, and this is our complete HT section.
So now let's move to the second section of the CSS. It is a transformer section. Let's see what's inside. So this is a transformer section. This is a main heart of the CSS. It's a Recons make dry type transformer, which is installed in the center of the CSS. It is 11 kV oblique 400 volts transformer. It's a VPI type transformer. It has winding temperature indicator and sensors for the air heating as well as for cooling. These are the cooling fans used for the heat dissipation.
Now we come to the third section, which is the LT compartment. Oh, so this is. So here we have the LT panel. So this side is from the transformer comes 400 volts, and then there is an LT breaker. Here we have used a ABB make breaker. So this is the LT panel from where on the power goes to the complete plant or maybe a building or an area wherever. So this complete sums up the CSS.
So Siddharth and Jayant, please tell us something about this salient features of Sanrico's package substation.
So this CSS or package type substation, it comprises of three parts. One is HT, RMU, transformer, and LT distribution network. So all three compartments are enclosed in one cubicle. One cubicle takes very less space, it's space saving, no hassle of any cables, no dirty work, it can be placed anywhere. It enhances your building by replacing all the three individual items by one product.
So you mean to say it saves the space
As well as beautifies it.
Aesthetics are also improved.
Yes. And second is, it is free from any kind of human intervention or any kind of animal intervention. It is completely safe. Nobody can get any kind of problem after installing this kind of product.
The other feature to add on this is, since we are dealing with the high tension line, so if we have a feature in this equipment, suppose anyone opens the door of any place during the live condition, our HT side will trip, preventing any kind of danger to the operator life or any kind of fire incident or any kind of a
Mishappening.
short circuit or a mishappening. The other thing, this is completely outdoor type. You can obviously keep it inside the building. You can keep it anywhere. It is dust proof, waterproof, as well as animal proof. So it is a kind of equipment which really saves your space. It saves your work. It saves your cost. You don't need any kind of individual sections for your or any other room. A complete this station beautifies it, and it is really and really very, very compact.
So all I can understand is that this solution is safe and it saves the space. It is a solution which gives the solution to both the aspects, right?
Yes.
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 All right. And may I ask what type of other options are available in the package substation by Sanrico?
Okay, so Sanrico has both offerings. We have in 11 kV and 33 kV. Depending upon your requirement, we can offer you all type of transformers, be it oil type, be it dry type,
Be it off circuit,
be it off circuit or on load tapped OLTC type, any kind of transformer we can customize it for you. Similarly, for the HT side, we can have, if your load is coming from two sources, or if you had to form a ring, or is there a distribution, we can use different type of RMU combinations also. It can be one way, two way, three way, four way, depending upon your requirement. And on the LT side, we can also incorporate the complete LT panel. So everything can be customized, colors can be customized, equipments can
That's
be
beautiful.
customized. It is a kind of customer tailored made equipment.
So you are covering the entire range of all the combinations, maybe from the HT side or types of transformers. All solutions can be provided at one stop point. That's Sanrico, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And Siddharth, can you just brief us about Sanrico?
Okay, so Sanrico is basically a joint venture of our two parent companies, which is having more than 30 years of experience in electrical and mechanical, San System and Recons Power. San System is basically into sheet metal and all kind of mechanical engineering, and Recons is one of the renowned names for last so many years for all types of transformers. So this company Sanrico is a joint JVC of both these companies, in which we are doing all kinds of HT equipments like VCB, RMU and CSS.
And Jayant, how do you plan to take Sanrico forward?
So right now we are offering multiple kind of products. We are offering 11 kV, 33 kV, VCB panels, indoor and outdoor type. We are offering 11 kV, 33 kV, one way, two way, multiple ways RMUs, and we are offering this kind of solution, that is package type substation. So in future we would like to enter into the market of EV chargers as well, and we would like to become a end-to-end solution for all kind of MV products, so that customer doesn't have to go for this product, it has to go to one vendor, to another vendor, to third vendor. We wish to be a one-stop solution for all his requirements for all kind of MV products.
Thank you guys for sharing all the salient features about the product and also letting us know about what Sanrico is all about and what does it plan to take and what does it plan to do in future. All the very best for your new venture.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
Siddharth. All right,
Thank you.
Jayant.
Thank you.
All the
Thank
best.
you.